Hello, I'm Chrissy. Today we will talk about the temporal prepositions in German or temporale Präpositionen auf Deutsch. I have here made a table. On the left side you can see the questions, and on the right side you can see the prepositions that you can answer to these questions with. Let's have a more deeper look. The first question is ab wann? From when? From what point in the past or in the future an action is happening? For example, ab morgen an, as of tomorrow, or from tomorrow on. Or another preposition that you can use here is vom 1. Januar an. Vom is always with a date. The next question, wie lange? This gives you a period of time. For example, von bis, from to, from till, vom 1. bis zum 3. März. Or seit 2010. Seit is exactly the same meaning as since, only for the past. Seit is always with dative, so since a month would be seit einem Monat. Über is another interesting preposition. It goes with accusative, and über einen Monat means over a month, more than a month past since something is happening. The next question is wann. Wann gives you more precise point in the time. For example, 18 Uhr. Or if you want to say on Monday, on Wednesday, in the afternoon, the preposition for days and parts of the days is am. Im is the preposition for months, just like in English, im April. And if you have an action that is going for example, every morning, every night, every evening, or every Monday or every Tuesday, this goes with a letter that is at the end of the word. For example, abends. That means jeden Abend, every evening. Or morgens, every morning. Or montags, every Monday. Or nachmittags, every afternoon. Let's see some examples here. Ab morgen an esse ich einen Apfel pro Tag. As of tomorrow or from tomorrow on, I will eat an apple every day. Seit einem Jahr liest Anna immer ein paar Seiten von ihrem Lieblingsbuch pro Tag. Seit gives you the beginning, the point for the beginning of the action in the past. Im Juni beginnt der Sommer. Im for months. Morgens stehe ich 7 auf und frühstücke. Every morning I do this. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I hope I was useful and this video was really helpful for you. If you have any questions, you see my contacts. You can also contact me on LinkedIn. And I also do one-to-one lessons. If you want, you can send me a short message. We can arrange a lesson. Thank you. And if you like the video, you can share it so I can reach more people who want to learn. And that will make me happy. Thank you. Wish you a great day. Bye.